LinkedIn says it doesn't plan to spend aggressively on its AI data centers for a year. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The company says it's found ways to get about twice as much out of its existing GPUs over the past 6 months and intends to spend on new features rather than new hardware. LinkedIn has been wholly owned by Microsoft since its December 2016 acquisition, despite being part of the software giant. LinkedIn's approach seems much different from a company that spends so much on AI. Microsoft also recently closed its own fiscal year with $41 billion in capital expenditure in the most recent quarter alone. It added 31 data centers in that quarter and 88 across the year. While parallels exist, it's clear that Microsoft's spending this because of their Azure customer demand and to provide the capacity it's contracted to supply to OpenAI rather than by internal product workloads. LinkedIn managed to add generative AI features for an entire year without buying new hardware, challenging the belief that AI expansion always requires massive server growth. While major tech companies spend hundreds of billions on data center capacity, LinkedIn took a very different path. Back in 2019, LinkedIn planned to migrate its servers to Microsoft Azure under Project Blue Shift. By 2022, LinkedIn quietly canceled the move because Azure faced high demand and LinkedIn's internal tools didn't translate well to the cloud. Instead, LinkedIn doubled down on its own data centers in Oregon, Texas, and Virginia. What looked like a failure in 2022 became a key advantage because LinkedIn owns its infrastructure end-to-end. LinkedIn proved that AI ambition doesn't always require hardware growth. While it remains to be seen if this approach can hold long-term, LinkedIn stands out as a rare example of prioritizing smarter compute over endless capital spending. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.